Oh boy, that scared the shit out of me. Hi guys, I know I'm looking fantastic, and no, I'm not here to tell you your future, but I am here to do a hair tutorial. I think it's been probably at least 5 years, maybe if not longer, since I have done anything remotely close to a hair tutorial, but I'm getting ready for a birthday dinner tonight. Actually, not for myself, for my friend, and dinner reservations are at like 7:45, which for me, like, I hate eating past 6 o'clock, but for her, I will do anything. And not to mention, it's 45 minutes away from my house, so it's gonna be a long night. I'm starting to get ready super early, or I don't even know what was gonna come out of my mouth. Getting ready super early, and you know what? Today I was like, let's do a hair tutorial. Look at all these lovely grays just coming in to join the party. Oh, I do have a wet brush. I don't know why I'm brushing my hair with that. This is my wet brush. I will link it down below. It is lovely. As you can probably tell, I have my brows and lashes and liner on because I am going to film my makeup for tonight. Actually, it's a concealer review, so yeah, I wanted to go ahead and just film the day away. So I'm going to go ahead and slap on all my hair care stuff real quick, and then we will get into this tutorial. It's basically just like heat protectant, frizz stuff, leave-in conditioner, all that kind of jazz. All right, now that all that is out of the way, I'm going to show you the curlers I use. They are from Amazon, so super easy to get a hold of. They're these jumbo curlers that come with like these little clippies. I have 24 of them in front of me, so I believe they come in a set of 12. So clearly I have 2 sets, but I have a lot of hair, a lot. So I'm just going, I'm not a hairstylist. This is just what I do. So please don't come for me. This is just what I do, okay? Sorry, I'm just trying to get this product just all through my hair. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. I know it seems like I'm in a rush. I guess it's because I am, because I don't want this video to be 75 minutes long. So I'm just trying to like speed it up a little bit. So my hair has been, it's been a couple hours since I washed my hair. It's not like dripping wet. It's just, it's definitely wet, but it's damp. And then, yeah, so I'm going to brush my bangs down. I'm going to start with my bangs and then work my way around my head. It's so weird doing my hair in this little mirror. And then I like to take my round brush. It has hair all up in it. Do not judge me. I don't know what size this is. I'm so sorry, but I've had it forever. I probably should get a new one. Actually, I did get a new one. It just was too hard on my hair. It was a different style of round brush, and I did not like it. So I just went back to this one. But I take this, and I actually always curl my bangs this way. So if you ever wonder how I do my bangs, because in every video you guys see that my bangs are done and they're curled, this is what I do. Obviously they're not always wet, but even dry, when they're dry, I do my bangs like this. So I just get them in the middle of the brush and pull a little bit, and then take my hair dryer and start to blow dry. This I use on warm high, so let's go. And then once they're pretty dry, I want to make sure they are pretty dry, I will take one of these rollers and just slap that bad boy like this. Now this usually when I do my bangs, I don't always do the curl or the roller in it. After I washed my hair and I do my hair like this, when I have time to put my hair in rollers, then I always I always do this. So, and it stays, the top of it's like, when I say Velcro, I don't know, it's like textured, so it grabs onto your hair very, very easy. I will take another section, and I don't want to take too thick of a section, but just enough, and try and measure it out to be the width of the roller. And then basically, I mean, I'm doing the same thing, and I'll do this all the way around my head, but I'll go this way and take it around the brush like this and just blow dry that. And what I'll do, I'll slowly pull the brush up and then continue to blow dry my hair, which I will probably end up going off frame, but I think you'll get the gist of it. What I'll also do is kind of pull forward instead of like back. I'll pull forward. Hopefully that makes sense. And then once I get to the ends, I just kind of continue to bring it down and curl. Then once I feel like it's dry enough, let me go back in because I don't feel like it's dry enough. It has to be pretty much damn near all the way dry. It can be like the slightest bit still wet, but I like to have it almost completely dry. And then I'll do the same thing with a roller. I know you guys really can't see, but I'll just take it and curl it down, make it tight, and then clip that. Sometimes these rollers will need 2 clips, more so when I get toward the bottom, it'll definitely need 2 clips on both sides. But basically I will continue to section my hair until I got my whole head with these rollers. So I'm going to continue to do that, and I'll come back when I'm done. I think my coloring has changed. I feel like I looked kind of orange when I first started filming. So if my coloring had changed, I'm sorry. So now I'm gonna take this texture spray. This is from Kenra. It's a dry texture spray. And I just like to spray the rollers. And then when I'm feeling extra, which let's be honest, I'm always kind of extra, take some hairspray. Not a lot, just, I say not a lot, but this is probably a lot to some of you. All right. Okay, so I'm going to come back in several hours and take these out. In the meantime, I'm going to do my makeup, let these bad boys sit for as long as I can to really get the volume and the lift and the drama. So I will be back in several hours. See you then. Hello everybody, I am back. I did not mean to leave these in for as long as I did. They've been in 5 hours, and actually I was able to take a little bit of a nap earlier. They're pretty comfortable, so I've never slept in them. Obviously I don't think I would sleep at night like in my bed with them, but like I laid my head down on a pillow on my couch. I was able to take a little 30-minute nap, which kind of rejuvenated me. So as you can see, I did my makeup. This makeup look will probably be up before this video. It is on the new Makeup Forever concealer. So if you're curious about this makeup look, go check that video out. But it is time to take these rollers out. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get to it. Now, the whole purpose of these rollers is to just mainly give me volume. I don't know how good the curl, like the curl is decent, but usually it's just like to give me, okay, that's a little, like, you know, I say something, it's like, egg on your face, I'm gonna be curled. So yeah, it's definitely curled. Okay, moving on. I don't think they're gonna be as perfect as I've done in the past, just because it was just so different doing it in this little itsy bitsy mirror. Okay, so that one's not as curled, but we're just gonna have to work with what we did. Now I will need to straighten these my little baby hairs around my face with my straightener when I am done, but I don't know if I'm going to wear my hair down. I'm not a big wear my hair down person. Usually, as a lot of you know, in all my videos, my hair is usually up in a clip just because, like, I don't know, I hate my hair being in my face. It's so thick. I get hot easy, so I just usually like to throw my hair up. But we're just gonna see. Oh my gosh, this clip is like stuck. But let me maybe fast forward this and get it all out of get all this out of my hair. All right, they are all out. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, forgot a clip. Okay, there we go. Oh, that feels so much better. Oh. But yeah, again, I have a lot of hair. I'm going to have to fix my bangs, but yeah, we got volume, we got some curl. I mean, it's not like, you know, a crazy amount. Is it a crazy amount? It might be a crazy amount. Then I'm gonna go back through and like kind of spray the roots. Since I really didn't spray the roots before, I just sprayed the, you know, curls once they were in the rollers. But now I'm kind of separating and spraying the roots, especially around the crown of my head. Obviously, I'm not leaving my hair like this, but you guys can see that, I mean, we got hella volume. It gives like a nice I can't even take myself seriously looking like this. But once it calms down a little bit, and I can style it, then it'll look a lot better. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this shirt off and put my shirt on for tonight, because once I do my hair, I don't like to change my shirt, and let this chill a minute. Take care of my little hairs around my face, my baby hairs. Put my hairline powder on that I've talked about before in previous videos, and then come back on camera and let you see what everything looks like. Okay guys, so after fussing with my hair for the last like 15-20 minutes, I did put some hairspray in it, and yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It shows off my layers. Some are curled out, some are curled in, or like that's the way they're falling. So depending on like the way that I rub my hands through, I can curl it, you know, it can get it to curl both ways, you know what I'm saying? Kind of, sort of. But it's super pretty, and yeah, the volume is insane. I've actually had to like try and tone it down, but I still try and like rub my hands through it because I do love the volume, and it's super easy to get the volume. So yeah, this way works. I love these little rollers, or I should say big rollers. Again, I got them off of Amazon. I will link them down below. But yeah, I'm thinking I will actually wear my hair down for once and go out. And I feel like I look weird, but I'm sure it's just gonna take a little bit of time to get used to. So yeah, what do you guys think? I'm digging it, but I have to get out of here, get to dinner. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.